folks. You guys tired of your garage windows or any windows that are just plain? These still have the film on it from when the windows were new. So I'm going to install these. It's called City Lights, made by Artscape. All right, I'm going to show you what it looks like after I install it. It's basically just a film that goes over it, just like tinted windows. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to peel off the old stuff. Hopefully it'll come off with no problems. It's just been on there for years, and we'll have to clean it up. All right, I'm going to show you. All right, so instead of having regular windows that people could see in, we're going to put these City Lights applique on there, tinted windows, and we'll see what happens. All right, we'll see what it looks like. There's different types of things. You're going to have church windows and stuff like that. But I picked the City Lights, and we'll see what it looks like. Let's try it. All right, here we go. We're going to start off with a nice clean window. The film that was on this glass, inside and out, was there for a good 15 years, if not more. So yeah, had to use the old scraper, get it all off. All right, let's go. Clean the window and let's start putting the film on. Let's see what it looks like. I ran to AutoZone to go get a squeegee. So I got this kit. It's like $13. Okay, it comes with the application solution. You could probably use Windex or soapy water. Okay, it comes with a little knife and a squeegee. This is the material, right? Just peel it back, the white backing, and then you get this piece, which is the shiny part. Okay, and that goes against the window. And you squeegee it on. You probably don't even need any solution because it looks like it sticks right to it, you see? But I use the solution so you can move it around, because right now, once it's on, you have a little problems, trying to adjust it. But yeah, that's it. Comes in a roll. Look at this. That was pretty good, right? Looks like stainless glass. It's called City Lights. All right. So the roll looks exactly the same, probably from one roll to the other. Okay, so if you look at this one, looks like it's got the same design right there. So if I put it the same way, it's going to look exactly the same way. So I'm going to flip it. I'm going to put these little black marks over here on the other side. So then it comes that way. All right, just to mix it up a little bit. Otherwise, it's going to be the exact same thing on the top pane and the bottom pane. All right, so let's continue. Then I'll show you the final product. It's pretty good so far. There you go, folks. Here's the final product. What do you think? Gives you a little privacy. Nobody can peek into the garage. Still decorated with my stuff, so couldn't see in there anyway. What do you think? I think it looks cool. See right through? Nope. You're good. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. And here's what it looks like from the outside. Garage door is open, so you can see a little light come through. All right, and I got a dark screen in there too. Hope you like it.